Dear students, in this video tutorial, we will learn about structural isomerism. After watching this video, the students will be able to define isomerism, explain types of isomerism, and differentiate the various types of structural isomerism. In chemistry, many of times you will observe that many compounds have the same molecular formula but different physical or chemical properties. These compounds are called as isomers of each other and the phenomenon is called as isomerism. There are two main types of isomerism. First is constitutional isomerism, also called as structural isomerism, and the second type is stereoisomerism. In this video, we will learn about the first type of isomerism, that is structural isomerism. What is structural isomerism? When the isomerism is caused due to the difference in the arrangement of atoms within the molecule without any reference to the space. That is, in other words, the compounds have the same molecular formula but different structural formulas are called as structural isomers and the phenomenon is known as structural isomerism. When we draw the structure of N-butane, the structure will be CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. And when we draw the chemical structure of isobutane, the structure will be CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. The IUPAC name of isobutane is 2-methyl propane as the methyl group is attached to second carbon atom of propane. These two structures have the same molecular formula, that is C4H10, but different connectivity amongst the atoms. So the N-butane and isobutane are called as structural isomers and the phenomenon is known as structural isomerism. There are five types of structural isomerism: chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism, metamerism, and tautomerism. Now we will see the first type of structural isomerism, that is chain isomerism. In chain isomerism, the chemical compounds have the same molecular formula but differ in the order in which carbon atoms are bonded to each other. These are also called as skeletal isomers. For example, 2-methyl-butane and 2,2-dimethylpropane. When you see both the structures, you will observe that in the first structure, the longest chain is of 4 atoms, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is named as butane and the methyl group is attached at second carbon atom. So the IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methyl butane. And in the second structure, there are two methyl groups are attached to the second carbon atom. So, the IUPAC name of this compound is 2,2-dimethyl propane. And the molecular formula of these compounds is same, that is C5H12. That means both these structures have same molecular formula but differ in the order of carbon atoms bonded to each other. So 2-methylbutane and 2,2-dimethylpropane are the chain isomers of each other. The second type of structural isomerism is position isomerism. In this type, the position of functional group on the carbon chain is different but the molecular formula is same. For example, see the chemical structure of N-propyl alcohol and isopropyl alcohol. In both these structures, the functional group is dash OH, that is alcohol. In the first structure, the dash OH group is attached to first carbon atom of straight chain. So the IUPAC name is 1-propanol. And in the second structure, the dash OH group is attached to the second carbon atom of straight chain. So the IUPAC name is 2-propanol. When you see both these structures, they have same molecular formula, that is C3H8O, and they are differ in the position of functional group. That is, in the first structure, the dash OH group is attached to first carbon atom, and in the second structure, the dash OH group is attached to second carbon atom. Now, we will see the second example of position isomerism of 2-pentanone and 3-pentanone. The functional group in this structure is ketone. In the 2-pentanone, the functional group C double bond O is attached at the second carbon atom, and in the 3-pentanone, the C double bond O group is attached at the third carbon atom. But the molecular formula of this compound is same, that is C5H10O, and the difference is in the position of functional group. In the first structure, the functional group is attached at second carbon atom, and in the second structure, the functional group is attached at third carbon atom. The third type is functional isomerism. In this type, the compounds have the same molecular formula but different functional groups. For example, ethyl alcohol and diethyl ether. In the first structure, dash OH, that is alcohol, is the functional group, and in the second structure, COC, that is ether, is the functional group. But the molecular formula of both these structure is same, that is C2H6O. That means the molecular formula is same but contains different functional groups, which are alcohol and ether. See the another example of acetone and propion aldehyde. In the first structure, the functional group is ketone, that is C double bond O attached to CH3. And in the second structure, the functional group is aldehyde as C double bond O is attached to H. The molecular formula of this structure is same, that is C3H6O, but they contain different functional groups. In the functional isomerism, the compounds have the same molecular formula but different functional groups. The next type of structural isomerism is metamerism, which is caused due to the unequal distribution of the carbon atoms on either side of functional group. In this type, the functional group is same, but the distribution of carbon atoms is different. For example, diethyl ether and methyl propyl ether. When you see both these structures, you will observe that the functional group is same, that is COC, COC. But in the first structure, the ethyl group is attached to the both the ends, that is diethyl ether. In the second structure, the methyl group is attached at one end and the propyl group is attached to another end of COC, that is methyl propyl ether, and there is a unequal distribution of carbon atoms on the sides of functional group. But the molecular formula of this structure is same, that is C4H10O. The second example is diethylamine and methylpropylamine. In the first structure, the amine is at center and two ethyl groups are attached to it. And in the second structure, the amine group is attached to methyl group and another end with propyl group. And the molecular formula is same, that is C4H11N, which is same. The fifth type of structural isomerism is tautomerism. It is a special type of functional isomerism in which the isomers are in dynamic equilibrium with each other. The structural isomers are interconvertible structures that exist in equilibrium with each other. For example, ethyl acetoacetate is an equilibrium mixture of two forms at room temperature. That is, the mixture contains 92% of keto form and 8% of enol form. The, when you see the structures, in both the structures, the arrangement of atoms and bonds is different, but both these compounds are same, that is ethyl acetoacetate. But the structural forms of this compound are different. The first structure is called as keto form and the second structure is called as enol form. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe the YouTube channel